Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this multi-mount amber LED strobe warning light bar. Now this amber light bar will alert other drivers and pedestrians to the presence of your service vehicle. It has a nice clear lens over 68 amber LEDs that go all the way around the whole light. So this is great for tow trucks, snowplows, construction, warehouse, and even agricultural applications. It does offer 14 flash patterns, so you can select what works best for your application and conditions. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to plug this into some 12-volt power to show you the different flash patterns. It does use high output LEDs, which are energy efficient, long-lasting, and vibration resistant. This is a nice durable water resistant construction, has a nice tough polycarbonate lens, which is impact resistant. And it is IP67 rated, so it does stand up to shock, vibration, dust, dirt, and water. It is compatible with 12-volt and 24-volt DC systems. Comes with this plug that'll plug directly into your vehicle's 12-volt power port. Has an on and off switch here to turn it on or off. And right next to it is a toggle switch that you can operate the light and the flash pattern. And because it comes with a 15-foot long cord, you can do it from inside your vehicle. Now the mount on this, it comes pre-installed. Let me zoom in so we can talk about it. It comes pre-installed with the 4 magnets right here for a magnetic mount. And it is a very strong, as I can show you, here's a piece of metal you can see. It's got some really good holding power. But if you don't think the magnetic mount's going to work for you, what you can do is they just unscrew. And when you get it unscrewed, don't lose your washers. It comes with some washers in it. They do give you the stud mount, so there's 4 studs with washers in the nut. So what you want to do there is go ahead and put your lock washer, your flat washer on, and then the same place where you took your magnetic mount off, you go ahead and just turn your stud down in there and tighten it down. It has a slot up here that you can put a screwdriver in to tighten it down, and you can do all 4 of them that way. And then once you get it like with the studs, then you can have 4 holes, put it through the holes, take your lock nut, tighten it down, and it'll give you a permanent mount in case you don't think the magnetic mount will work for you. So you have the option of either one. So we'll go ahead and put the magnet back in there. And you just snug it down. Now this light does meet the SAE J845 Class 1 rating. A few specs on this again. It's 68 amber LEDs. Power draw at 12 volts is 2 amps. Wattage is 24 watts. Operating temperature is negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Weight on this unit is only about 5.5 pounds. I want to give you some measurements of it, and then we'll go ahead and hook it up to some power. So if we do the overall length from this end all the way to this end, you can see it's going to be right at 15.25 inches long. The width on it from this end, or this side all the way to that side, is going to be right at 8.75 inches wide. And then the height of it is going to be right at 3 inches tall. So what I want to do now, let's go ahead and turn this around. And I happen to have a 12-volt power port right here. We'll go ahead and plug in our plug there. And then you'll get the power on, so you'll see the on and off switch. If we push the on, the red light shows that it's on. You can see it's operating the LEDs. And then again, to change the pattern, you would just push the toggle switch next to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn off the lights to give you a better view of it. So again, if we push it, see it changes it many different patterns. So you just find the one that'll work best for you, whatever situation you're in. And again, it gives you a choice of 14 different ones. And we'll go ahead and turn the power off, turn the light back on. But that should do it for the review on this multi-mount amber LED strobe warning light bar.